SLACKROBATS, and we're back with some more training. We got another low line training exercise for you today. We're going to be working on toe tap jumps, but we're going to work up to that. Starting with our first progression, just stationary toe taps. Come over to the line, bring one foot up. We're not going to be placing a lot of weight on the line here. Most of the weight's staying in the standing leg. We're just going to jump up and switch feet. Pretty simple, yeah. Going back and forth. You can increase the speed and increase the reps if you need more of a challenge or if you want to extend your workout. Okay, a little faster. Knees are high. You're breathing. Okay, progression 2. Roaming. So we're going to move down the slack line and then back. Starting the same way, but as we jump up, we push ourselves to the side. Again, knees high. You gotta touch that slack line. Touch that slack line. If that didn't wear you out, do it again. I bet it will. All right, so progression 3, we're gonna add a jumping feature. So we start with stationary. We do 2 stationary, then we jump over. Here's what it looks like. Once you jump over, you do 2 more. Jump over again. Notice I'm doing a little twist there. Yeah, not easy. That's why it's progression 3. You get the idea, yeah? Boom, 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 boom. So, work on progression 1 for a while. Build up to 2, then to 3. Send us your videos because we want to see. See you later, SLACKROBATS.